if you've had your Gmail account for a while, unread emails are going to start piling up in the hundreds, if not the thousands. So what exactly can you do to reduce that number without actually deleting them? How can you mass mark emails as read? Well, we'll be going over that in this very video. Now, there are a few ways of doing it. By far the easiest to mark a certain email as read is to just click on this checkbox next to the email on the left hand side, and then once you've selected all the emails you want, clicking on an open envelope icon near the top, which will mark them all as read. However, that can be very time consuming selecting every single email individually if you have a lot of them. Thankfully, there are ways to speed it up. For example, if you click on this little arrow, which you'll find next to the checkbox that will be above your whole email list, you'll be able to select all emails based by its label. So if you just select unread, it will select all unread emails on a current page. So while that's definitely a bit quicker, the problem with that is that it only marks things as read on the first page, which is by default 50 emails. What if you want to do literally every single email in your account? Well, there's a way of doing that. Simply just type in label:"unread" in the search bar at the very top, and that will bring up only unread emails. Then simply just click on a checkbox above your list of emails to select everything on the current page. That will then bring up this piece of blue text in the very middle, which if you click it, will take your selection from just the 50 initial emails on the first page to your entire inbox. Now let's go over the same, but in the mobile Gmail app. Simply just tap on the search bar at the top. Some further options will then show up. So you want to scroll through them until you see is unread, and then tap on that. That will once again only bring up unread items. Then what you want to do is long hold on any of the emails until a little tick appears next to it. That will also bring up a select all option at the very top, so you want to tap on that. Again, by default, that will only do 50 emails at once. So if you want to do more than that, then you may want to do it over on the browser version instead. Then just tap on that open envelope icon and it's all going to be marked as read. So that is exactly how you can mark emails as read in Gmail, and more importantly, how to do that in bulk so you're not stuck marking every single email individually. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.